ZoomInfo is a powerful tool for sales prospecting, providing access to accurate contact data and insights that help you find and engage with potential clients. Here's how to use ZoomInfo for effective prospecting. Sign up and log in. Create an account on ZoomInfo and log in to access the platform's features. Use advanced search filters. Go to the search section and apply filters like industry, company size, job title, location, and revenue to identify your ideal prospects. You can also filter by specific technologies or buying intent. Review prospect profiles. Once you've applied your filters, view detailed profiles of prospects, including their name, email address, phone number, company details, and social media links. This data helps you make informed outreach decisions. Create and save lists. Save relevant contacts into lists for easy access. You can organize leads by category. Export data. Export your prospect list to your CRM or a spreadsheet for further management and outreach. Monitor real-time insights. Use ZoomInfo's insights to personalize outreach messages and stay informed about prospect activities.